All right, for this lesson, we're going to look at how to present your unit on shutter speed. So what I've done is created a sample page under my photography in Google Sites. So this is my home page, and this is my photography page. And if you scroll down, you're going to see I have added a title called Unit 2 Shutter Speed. I've added 3 pictures across, which show fast, medium, and slow shutter speeds. A second group of pictures across, fast, medium, and slow, and then a bonus photograph for extra credit, which is the drawing or painting with light option that you have. So let's learn how we can put this together. So we're going to first sign into your Google Sites, make sure you're in your school account. And for my purposes, I'm going to go ahead and delete everything I've done so far so that I can do it again with you. Okay, so you want to go underneath your last unit, which our last unit was the camera. And in order to keep the consistency, I like to first copy the title. So I'm going to do duplicate section, and notice it shows up right below. And I'm going to drag it down to the bottom of my page. And of course, I need to select it and change the title to Unit 2, Shutter Speed. Okay, now I'm ready to add my pictures. So for this assignment, we had to do 3 different pictures across. So I find it easy to come over here under the Insert section. And I like this layout right here, which is 3 across. So I'm just going to grab and drop. And I'm going to do this 2 times because I have 2 sets of 3 that I'm going to be showcasing here. Okay, so now I'm ready to add the pictures. You have your images already inside of Google Drive. So you're going to click to add your picture, and I'm going to select it from my drive. Your drive images should be inside of your Photography 1 folder that you've created inside of your Google Drive. Photo. Okay, so these are all the different units inside, and of course I'm working on unit number 2. I have my images here. I'm going to start with this one, which is fast, and whoops, I don't even need to drag it. I can just click insert, select it, insert. Now notice it crops the image. I do not want to crop it. I want to see full frame, so I click uncrop. Okay, and underneath it, so I don't forget which one this is, I'm going to call it fast. Okay, then I'm going to do the next one the same way. I'm going to do medium next. Select, insert, uncrop, title it, medium. Let's see if I can do a faster way this time. Let's see what happens. If I scroll over here, I should be able to find recent activity. Ah, look, and all the recent work that I've done is showing up automatically, which makes this a lot easier. Then my third one is slow. Uncrop and call it slow. Fast, medium, and slow. Now I don't need any extra text on here, so notice what I can do is just click on it and delete. If you wanted to add explanations here, you're welcome to. That's up to you. I like it kind of neat like this. Okay, we're going to do the exact same thing for this group right here. Fast, medium, and slow. Okay, you want to also double check that you actually labeled them correct. There's often times in the past students have mislabeled it because it shows that they don't quite understand the concepts. So let's look for some clues in here to make sure that this is actually a good example of fast, medium, and slow. In here you can see there is a nice crisp edge right here. That means it is a fast shutter speed. And also you can see that the background has blurred out. Because you're using a fast shutter speed, the background should start to blur some more. In the medium, you see a little bit more of the background, and you see a tiny bit of blur right here. And then finally, with the slow, everything in the background is in focus, but this moving part right here shows a lot of blurred action. So you just want to double check the same thing here. Okay. Now, for the last part, I want to add my bonus picture. I'm looking for a layout that works. You could just add a picture here just by going to images. I kind of like to keep it with a layout, so I'm going to choose a single image with a title here, and I'm going to add my bonus picture. This is a drawing with light picture or painting with light picture. These are fun pictures you can do with a pen light, with a flashlight. You can do these outside. You could do them inside of a dark room. And I'm going to call this bonus picture or bonus photo. And you can add text here. Maybe if you wanted to describe what it was, I could say, this is a skull of a cow on a waxed floor, which creates the reflection. I then illuminated the skull with a pointer, a light. Okay. Now, I don't like how large this bonus photo is compared to these titles right here. So what I'm going to do is change it to just a heading, and I think it matches better. So when it's all ready to go, it looks great, ready to submit, you click publish. It's going to compare old to new. If you like the way it looks, you click publish again. And then you need to grab that view publish site, grab that URL code right here and submit that for your assignment. So you just highlight, Control C to copy, and turn it into Google Classroom.